Hello, this is just an update on my previous video about using Kino to import raw video from a mini DV camcorder. And if you check my previous video out, you'll find that I had a problem in importing the video because Kino kept on splitting up the video that I imported. Every time I paused or stopped a recording of a scene, it would detect that break and create another file from it, and I'll show you what I mean. What I've done, I've created the file output to go into this folder here, the entitled folder. At the moment there's nothing there, so I'm just going to capture this now. And in a moment you'll see a number of separate short video clips being outputted into this folder here. The fix is, well, it's not a fix, it's just an option really that I didn't tick, or rather untick, and I don't know why I didn't figure this one out earlier. I was quite perplexed at the time, you know. There should be another video coming up shortly as I change the scene. Now I paused it then to capture this scene, and as you can see, as I paused it, it created another video. Well, that obviously, as you go on, that's going to be inconvenient, because let's just say I want a 10-minute recording of the scenes that I shot that day. Well, I don't want several files created, I just want one file. So what I hadn't done, I'll just stop this now. What I should have done rather is go to Edit, Preferences, and on the Capture tab, if you see here Other File Options, it's got a tick box there, and it's already ticked Auto Split Files, and I should have seen this before. I just don't understand why I didn't see it really. All you got to do is untick that option. So once you untick Auto Split Files, you click OK, and whatever you capture will be captured properly. So it has one file, I mean. So I'll just rewind that again. Just to prove that it's working. And we'll get this folder up again. You'll have one file now. I'll have these three in. So I'll just click on capture. Well, play first, then capture. It certainly makes life a lot easier once you get them all together. And then it's just simply the case of using DVD to convert them for the upload to YouTube. I mean, you can merge these files, but you know it's going to be awkward. It's a lot easier doing it the way I'm doing it now. Now the change of scene is coming up shortly, and you'll notice that there won't be another video added. See, it's not added, whereas it did before. So I'll just stop it there. So what you got really, you've got three scenes in one file here, and I'll just click it to prove it. So as you can see, there's no split there. So that's all it is. It's as simple as that. It's a matter of unticking that tick box. So there you are. That's how you fix that particular problem. Okay, thank you for watching.